Did you know that the tongue of a blue whale is so large that 50 people could stand on it? Welcome to a whimsical journey through the animal kingdom, a world brimming with peculiarities and uncanny marvels that are often overlooked. Today, we're venturing beyond the ordinary, into the heart of the wild, where the blue whale's colossal tongue is just the tip of the iceberg. Our planet is teeming with fascinating creatures, each one possessing unique traits that inspire awe and wonder. From the deep-sea dwellers to the high-flying aviators, there's a universe of stories waiting to be told. This isn't your typical wildlife documentary. We're not just exploring the wild, we're delving into the weird, the wonderful, and the downright bizarre. So buckle up. We're about to embark on an adventure that promises to be as enlightening as it is entertaining. Stick around to uncover more of such fascinating truths about our wild co-inhabitants. Ants may be tiny, but they can lift up to 50 times their own body weight. Now, that's a feat of strength that would make any weightlifter green with envy. These miniature powerhouses are an incredible example of the strength and resilience found in the insect world. But it's not just about raw power. Ants are also known for their remarkable teamwork and complex social structures. In a way, they're like a well-oiled machine, with each individual playing a specific role, all working together for the benefit of the colony. From the queen, the sole egg layer, to the workers who gather food and maintain the nest, every ant has a job to do. And let's just take a moment to appreciate the sheer diversity of the insect world. It's estimated that there are approximately 1.4 billion insects for every human on the planet. That's a staggering number, isn't it? Insects come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny fairy fly, which is less than 1 millimeter long, to the giant weta, which can weigh more than a sparrow. Insects also play a vital role in our ecosystems. They pollinate plants, decompose dead organic material, and form an important part of the food chain. Without them, our world would look very different indeed. And just when you thought insects couldn't get any more interesting, did you know that some insects, like the dragonfly, have been around for over 300 million years? That's long before the dinosaurs roamed the earth. These ancient creatures have survived through countless changes in the environment, proving just how adaptable they are. So the next time you see an ant scurrying across your picnic blanket or a dragonfly hovering near a pond, take a moment to marvel at these miniature powerhouses. Despite their diminutive size, they're proof that strength and resilience come in all packages. Insects, as tiny as they are, indeed hold a significant place in the animal kingdom. Imagine changing your skin color and pattern in a blink. The chameleon does this every day. Welcome to the fascinating world of nature's masters of disguise, the chameleons. These creatures possess an incredible ability to change their skin color and pattern, giving them a unique advantage in the wild. But how do they do this? It's all thanks to special cells known as chromatophores, which contain pigments that can be moved around to create different colors and patterns. This not only helps them blend in with their surroundings, but it also plays a role in communication and temperature regulation. But chameleons aren't the only ones blessed with this uncanny knack for camouflage. Consider the octopus, a creature that takes the art of disguise to a whole new level. The octopus doesn't just change its color, it can also alter the texture of its skin to mimic the roughness or smoothness of its environment. This, combined with its ability to squeeze into tiny spaces, makes the octopus a truly elusive creature. Let's not forget about the stick insects, the masters of mimicry. As their name suggests, these insects look remarkably like sticks or leaves, allowing them to blend in perfectly with their surroundings. This is a prime example of what's known as cryptic coloration, a form of camouflage that makes an animal appear invisible to predators and prey alike. But why do these animals go to such lengths to hide? The answer is simple: survival. Camouflage helps these creatures avoid predators, sneak up on prey, and even communicate with each other. It's an essential tool for survival in the wild, and these animals have perfected it. That's not all. Some animals use camouflage in truly innovative ways. For instance, the leaf-tailed gecko of Madagascar not only looks like a leaf, but also behaves like one, swaying in the wind to complete its disguise. Similarly, the decorator crab adorns itself with seaweed and other materials to blend in with its underwater environment. These animals take the game of hide and seek to a whole new level, don't they? From color-changing chameleons to texture-mimicking octopuses, these masters of camouflage show us that in the wild, sometimes the best way to stand out is to blend in. The bar-headed goose flies at altitudes as high as Mount Everest, while the Cuvier's beaked whale can dive to a depth of almost 10,000 feet. Now, isn't that something? The animal kingdom is full of surprises, and today we're exploring the high flyers and deep divers, those creatures that have adapted to survive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Let's begin with the high flyers. The bar-headed goose is a true marvel of evolution. This bird doesn't just fly high, it soars at altitudes that could leave a human gasping for breath. Imagine, if you will, a bird flying over the peak of Mount Everest, its wings cutting through the thin, icy air. That's the bar-headed goose for you. It's adapted to inhale air that's only a third as dense as what we breathe at sea level. Now that's what we call a high flyer. But let's not forget the deep divers. The Cuvier's beaked whale, a creature that spends most of its life in the deep blue sea, can dive to depths of almost 10,000 feet. That's nearly 2 miles under the surface of the ocean. At these depths, the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level. But the Cuvier's beaked whale isn't bothered. Its body is perfectly adapted to withstand this extreme pressure, allowing it to hunt for squid and deep sea fish in a world that's completely alien to us. So there you have it, 2 astounding examples of the adaptability of life on Earth. From the dizzying heights of the world's tallest mountain to the crushing depths of the ocean, these creatures are truly the daredevils of the animal kingdom. They push the boundaries of what's possible, showing us that life can thrive in the most unexpected places. And that's the beauty of nature. It's full of surprises, full of creatures that defy our understanding and challenge our assumptions. Who knew that the animal kingdom was filled with such daredevils? As we have seen, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. It's a captivating world out there, brimming with creatures that astound us with their unique abilities, survival strategies, and unexpected quirks. Today, we've journeyed through a mere glimpse of this enchanting wilderness, and yet we've encountered such awe-inspiring diversity. We began with the Nature's Surprise opening act, where we marveled at the extraordinary behaviors and adaptations that animals exhibit, challenging our perceptions and reminding us that nature never ceases to amaze. From the unlikely friendships formed in the wild to the mind-boggling hunting tactics employed by predators, it's clear that the animal kingdom is far more complex and fascinating than we could ever imagine. Then we dove into the world of the miniature powerhouses. Against all odds, these small yet mighty creatures prove that size doesn't always determine strength. From ants carrying many times their body weight to the rapid wing beats of the hummingbird, they showcase nature's ability to pack a powerful punch into the tiniest of packages. Next, we ventured into the realm of the masters of camouflage. These animals have perfected the art of blending in, using their surroundings to deceive and evade. The chameleon's color-changing skills and the leaf insect's uncanny resemblance to foliage left us in awe of their evolutionary ingenuity. We rounded off our exploration with the high flyers and deep divers, the animals that stretch the boundaries of what's possible. Whether soaring through the skies or plunging into the ocean's depths, these creatures remind us of the incredible resilience and adaptability of life on our planet. So, as we wrap up, let's remember that our exploration is far from over. Each creature, each behavior, each adaptation is a testament to the wild wonders of the animal kingdom. And we've only just begun to scratch the surface. So what's your favorite quirky animal fact? Share it in the comments below. And remember, there's always more to learn about our incredible animal kingdom.